7-pound chicken. Don't get much better than that, folks. Hey folks, how's it going? Rob, Chicken Ranch Homestead, doing an update on our 10-cent Meatbirds. We bought some Meatbirds, I don't know, September 11th, I believe. And got them for 10 cents at Tractor Supply. They were a Cornish rock cross. That's what it said, you know, Cornish cross with a white rock chicken, I think, maybe. But we'll do a little update, show you what they look like. They go to processing tomorrow. They do leave the farm or homestead today. Well, at least this night. All right, here we go. Let's see what they look like. As you can see, they're monstrous. We weighed a couple out last week, and they were weighing out at 7.5 pounds. There's this little one over there somewhere. There she is in the back. She weighed about 3.5 pounds, so she'll be our light one. We took them off of boiler feed for the past few days, and we went to our layer feed, which is much less protein. And we pulled their food today at 9 o'clock, as their processing time is 9 o'clock tomorrow. All right. So yeah, we've had them for a few weeks here. Essentially October, November, you know, course of September. So 3 months we've had them here, and they're done. We were told they were a 12-week grow out, and we're right about there. I would have processed them a while ago, and it couldn't happen because someone was in the hospital. Hold on. Sorry about that. You don't see the weight, but I did. The farmers go put Lydia on the combine, so I will insert that either in the beginning of the video or at the end. But they have an old deer with a 4-row header that she loves watching, so she's going to get to go on the combine today. But back to where we were. We've had the Meatbirds for 3 months, 12 weeks. They would have been done last week, but the person who does the processing was put up in the hospital, so she couldn't. So we'll be doing it tomorrow. For the cost of processing, just to do the 20 birds, it isn't much, but we don't have 20. We did lose two. One was yesterday and one was a couple days before. One, we don't know why. It might have just hit that point. The other one, I believe, did, because it was a bigger bird. But I'm thinking we were probably right around 8 pounds. So we have a good size on them. I'll maybe double check that weight. In fact, I can. Maybe that's what we'll do. All right. But if I do, I'll insert that at the end. But that's where we are with these birds. 12 weeks, done processing. I drug them around the yard in our chicken tractor. We didn't lose any this time to minks, which is great because I don't like losing birds, and we've lost enough this year. So I'd like to thank all the new subscribers. I'd like to thank you for showing up and watching this and following our homestead / farmstead, blah, 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 if you've watched any of the other videos. And remember to share, like, and subscribe, and I'll see you around. Thanks. Yeah. Almost 10 pounds. There you go. That's the heaviest one I think I have. Hey folks, I'm just adding on. Last night we were dropping off the chickens at the processor, and we hit a deer. Yeah, hit a deer. it's kind of a neat story, but it isn't. But pretty much we pulled over, we're going to take care of it and dispatch it with someone else, and someone else decided to plow it because they didn't want to slow down for our hazards and us flashing lights at them. So didn't have to dispatch it, someone's car dispatched it. But got the chickens dropped off. We're going to pick up the chickens now. I'm probably not going to be able to film at the processing plant, but after they're in the cooler, I'll add on to this and talk a little bit more. All right. Okay, we're back. We're going to weigh one. Let's see what we get. Seven-pound chicken. Don't get much better than that, folks. All right, thanks for watching. See you around.